Descript doesn't offer a way to reverse clips within your project, but there's a workaround using the free video editor, CapCut. CapCut's what I have pulled up here on the screen. And to use it, you will need to create an account. You can use this from your browser or you can download it to your computer. I'm using the browser version right here. I have my account, I'm logged in. I hit create new video. And sorry, my computer's in Spanish, but the thing will be the same, just in English for your end. Choose the aspect ratio you want. Mine's gonna be a standard YouTube video size. And what I did is I took a video from Descript, a stock video, and downloaded it, the one that I want to be reversed. And I'm just gonna simply drag and drop it into CapCut. And you could do this with any video, whatever clip you want to have reversed, that you will just add it here into CapCut. And currently it's a video of a turtle poking its head out of its shell. That's all I want. So I'm just going to resize it in CapCut. So CapCut's pretty simple to use, just timeline based like most editors. And all you do is right here, there is a reverse button. It's a circle with a arrow around a play button. Click that, give it a moment to process, and it's complete. It took about 15 seconds. And now our video looks like this. And the turtle's poking his head into his shell. And all we would do next is export it. We can choose our resolution and we hit export. It'll take a moment. And there we go, it's done. And that video is now an MP4 and we can simply add it to our Descript project. Like so, drag and drop it into your Descript project. And there's our video. So that's how you can reverse a clip in Descript using CapCut.